Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious mango and orange pudding that is 100% plant-based. I'm going to use coconut cream and agar flakes as a gelling agent, and as you will see, this very fresh and tropical dessert couldn't be easier to put together. So, to start, shake the can a little before opening, but don't worry if you see that the liquid inside is separated. Pour the coconut cream into a non-stick medium saucepan. Just spoon everything into the pan and using a whisk, mix all very well until you have a smooth and lump-free cream. Then, sprinkle the agar flakes over and set the pan aside for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, squeeze the oranges to make 120 milliliters of juice. Also, peel 2 ripe mangoes. In total, they should weigh around 800 grams. Slice the flesh around the stone and discard the stone. When you finish peeling and slicing the mangoes, reserve 80 grams of the flesh. This will be for the topping. Chop into small bits, transfer to a small bowl or airtight container, and store in the fridge until the time of serving. Then, chop the rest of the fruit into chunks and put it in a food processor or blender. Add the orange juice and agave nectar. Blend everything until very smooth. Then, transfer 120 milliliters of the mango puree into a small bowl or airtight container and store it in the fridge to use for the topping. Now, and without stirring, bring the coconut cream to a boil over a low-medium heat. Don't worry if the flakes haven't sunk completely. When it's almost boiling, reduce the heat, whisk well, and simmer the coconut cream for 10 minutes, stirring once in a while. Now pour the mango puree into a medium mixing bowl. Add the coconut cream and stir everything until very smooth and well combined. Then, using a large serving spoon, divide the mixture into small glass bowls, cups or ramekins. 2 large spoons for each glass is about right to make 6 servings. Leave to cool a little and then set in the fridge for at least 5 hours. When you're about to serve the pudding, top each one with 2 teaspoons of the reserved mango puree and 1 teaspoon of chopped mango. Finally, sprinkle over some toasted coconut flakes. This delicious and refreshing dessert is now ready to serve. If needed, you can keep these puddings in the fridge for up to 2 days. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.